sila sumakay.
We are the children of yesterday's dream. We are the promise of the future we be. Leaving a banner of love to all. To every nation, learn to the poor. We are a world of the business of moon. And we will have united. We are yearning to do what is best. Be someone special from all the rest. Nation and progress in unity. Building tomorrow for you and for me. We are a world of the business and good. And we need to have guidance. Helping each other, build each other. As long as we're together, let's be. All together we stand. Divide and before. Together we climb to the top of the world. We can be what we want. For the world to see that we are the children of yesterday's dream. Together we stand. Divide and before. Together we climb to the top of the world. We can be what we want. For the world to see that we are the children of yesterday's dream. We are the children of yesterday's dream.
Palakpakan naman po natin ang ating mga anak para sa kanilang opening song. Chavez Playa Lexen P. with honors Most Generous Miss Congeniality Award.
Happy. Malapit pa. Picture ako. Diyos ko. Che, picture mo sila, Che. Uy, picture mo sila. Wait lang, wait lang. Ha? Oo. Dalawang ba section? Yung umaga ko kasi siya.
Castillon Alvis George S. Brian Darius Iwanansala with highest honors Star Reader Award, Body Mathematics Award, Best in Writing, Best in Spelling, Batang Maasahan Award, Loyalty Award.
At
Iba kundi si Brian Darius Iwanansala. Palakpakan po natin siya.
dito ka lang. Dito ka lang.
Teachers, parents, guests, and fellow graduates, a pleasant day to all of you. I am Brian Darius Iwanansala, standing before you on this momentous event as your graduating student with highest honor. Today we have reached the final lap of our kindergarten journey. We learned so many things like writing, reading, To all the proud parents here today, especially to my Mama Rina and Papa Fernando, thank you for unwavering love and support. We are nothing without your sacrifices and dedication. We are so lucky to have you as our parents. We love you so much. To my fellow graduates, good luck on the long journey of our lives. Godspeed. Thank you.
Parents, guests, and friends, good afternoon. It brings me immense joy and pride to extend my heartfelt congratulations to each and every one of you on this momentous occasion of your graduation and recognition. As part of the Mary Ensor Learning Center faculty, seeing our little learners reach this milestone fills my heart with happiness and admiration. Today marks a significant step forward in your journey of education and growth. Throughout this year, we have witnessed your curiosity, creativity, and resilience blossom. From your first day of school to this memorable graduation, you have shown us the true meaning of determination and enthusiasm for learning. As you prepare to spread your wings and embark on the next chapter of your educational journey, always remember the invaluable lessons you have learned. Cherish the friendship you have made, the knowledge you have gained, and the countless memories you have created. To our completers and movers, your potential is like limitless, and the future holds endless opportunities waiting for you to guys continue to explore, dream, and discover with the same passion and enthusiasm to have you to this moment. To the parents and families, thank you for entrusting Mary Angel with the privilege for nurturing and guiding your precious children. Your unwavering support and dedication have played an integral role in their success, and for that, we are truly grateful. Congratulations once again. We are endlessly proud of you and cannot wait to see all the incredible things you have achieved into your to come. With regards, Roxanne Libutan Di Maunahan, Chairman and President of Mary Ensor Learning Center. Once again, congratulations po sa inyong lahat. Cruz Gis Hermaine A. Manansala Frian Darius E. Davingar J. E.
Mamaya pipicturean kita. Sayo ka muna kasi yung music. Dali, sayo ka muna. Dali, videoan kita.
Picture with Teacher Susan. Lapit na lang po. With Teacher Myra.
Hello po, ano? Hello.
Lapit lang po saling.
Dali na po. Mamaya pipicture kay la teacher. Mamaya.